say hello there properly. Like, still quite far away from saying hello there in my usual way, but the lips are feeling so much more comfortable. Like, I feel like I can kind of smile. Oh gosh, what have I got on my face? Oh man. But, oh, got stuff in my eyes as well. Okay, scrap this intro. Hello there and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be trying out another one of the Little Elfos eyeshadow palettes. I hope that you're not getting bored with these at this point. But today we're going to be trying out their beautiful 35 pan. I call this the Vingo palette, but I don't think that's its name. Oh no, it is. It's called the Vingo palette. So go me, winning all over town today. So this is what the palette looks like. You've got a mix of mattes, shimmers, you've got brighter shades, you've got more neutral kind of shades, and you just got kind of everything else in between. I feel like you could create a whole host of looks with this palette, and it looks okay. Like, it looks okay, but personally it's not the kind of palette that I gravitate to, just because like I find it a little bit overwhelming when I look at this. Even though I do really appreciate this top row of very, you know, vibrant bright shades, I'm a little bit bored with the rest of the palette. Like, if you were to take away the top row and maybe like these 4 shades down here, like the rest of it is just super boring to me. But I know that a lot of people will like this palette, and that was why I was really keen to try it out today. This palette right here costs $25, and as always you can get it on the Little Elfos Cosmetics.com website. If you're having trouble finding the Little Elfos website, what I've found is if you just type in Little Elfos with no space in the middle between Little and Elfos and just search in Google, it will take you to the website. I did also find out about shipping costs, and they said that they do have a flat rate of shipping for everything, which is $4.49, because I know some of you guys were asking, because it is an American, or it's based in America, so I know a lot of you were just interested in shipping, as you rightly should be. Additionally, there is always a risk if you're buying from the US, from outside the US, there's always a risk of customs charges, which is a real kick in the vagina. Like, let's face it, there's no good way to talk about customs charges without other than just like vomiting everywhere. You know, it's a real disappointment when you get hit with one. Anyway, just to mention that, and I hope you've not just vomited in your mouth when you thought about customs charges. But today I'm just going to go ahead, I'm going to create a little bit of an eye look. So I think I'm going to pop you in fast forward and just create an eye look. I hope you don't mind me popping you in fast forward. Like, I don't really ever know, and if you could give me your feedback, I'd really appreciate it. I think there's times when it's really like incredibly useful. What? There's times when it's really useful to be able to do it, because it does just speed everything up, and it stops me going off on crazy little, you know, storytelling escapades and telling you about my vagina, all manner of things you just did not come here for. So could you let me know downstairs in the comments, like, do you like me fast forwarding or not? Just let me know, guys, and you know I will do whatever you wish. I am here to serve you. So let's begin the video today. Let's just, oh, by the way as well, exciting news. I have a giveaway coming with Little Elfos. Oh yes, bitch, yes. Details coming soon, so stay tuned to my vagina all over town. I mean, really. Oh shit, someone's at the door. Who could this be? Okay, very exciting. Let me go. Oh my gosh, like, that was random. So it's just this guy, and he knocked on. He said, oh, I'm doing some work in a garden on the side street there, and I just noticed your tree was getting a little bit overgrown, and I just wondered, do you want me to do a chop and trim? And I'm like, no, like, don't be coming near my tree, you dickhead. I just said that I was a gardener and I chopped and trimmed all my own trees. So anyway, guys, let's get into the video, unless we get any more interruptions. And by the way, I was going to say as well, the neighbours across the way have scaffolding up, and there's two guys up there. They can definitely see into my window and see everything that's happening right now, but that's fine. I hope they enjoy the show. Okay, so I've applied concealer as my base, and one of you guys, Christy, advised not to set it so that the shades will be more vibrant. So I'm not setting it today, Christy. I am not, Christy, because you advised me not to, and I'm taking your advice because I trust you. So let's see. So we can all blame Christy if this affects up. I'm just joking, Christy. Not really, but yes, blame Christy if this does not work. I mean, really, guys, do not blame Christy though, guys. Like, really, but we love Christy. I love you, Christy. Okay, so to begin today, I'm going to go in with this shade. I have no idea what I'm doing today. I'm just like, okay, yeah, I might as well just have like a roulette like thing. I don't know what it is, but I could have one and it could pick out the shade. So today, the roulette is picking out this one. And then I'm thinking maybe like oh no, I'm not. I've changed my mind. Okay, we're going for this one. And I'm going to go for like a movie plum look today. A bit of movie plum action up in here. So anyway, guys, let's fucking do this. What was I doing again? Okay, so here we go, guys. No, I can't. It said, "Dear Anwin, please, can you please call Kathy at United Utilities?" No, I cannot. I do not wish to speak to Kathy. No, thank you. I will not be doing that today. I've got more important things to be doing, like trying out this beautiful palette. Well, I mean, it's not the most beautiful to me, just because it's not my personal taste, but to other people, they will be beautiful, you know what I mean? So anyway, guys, let's do this. Oh, I've creased. Christy, I've creased already. What's going on there? Okay, anyway, what do I do? Do I uncrease it? I just don't know. I'll just make some rudimentary attempts to do it. Okay, so here we go, guys. Here we go. The first brush is the deepest. Oh, see, guys, this is why I put you in fast forward. Like, this is the reason why. So, okay, I'll see you all later, guys. Okay, see you later. Okay, so I have finished the look, and holy bejesus, I am so impressed with this palette. Like, I didn't doubt the quality of it at the beginning of the video. I know I sounded a little bit negative, but that was purely because of the shades within this palette. As I said, a lot of the neutrals did not float my boat. However, I have come to eat my own words because the quality of these eyeshadows is immaculately exceptional. I just found that they had a tremendous amount of pigment, blendability. They were creamy on the eye. They just came to work. They did not disappoint, and I'm all about it. I would definitely say that if this palette does appeal to you, you can go into it having no concerns about the quality. The quality is epic, like so good. I just think that the look of it, like, it still isn't hugely blowing my pants off, but the quality is blowing my pants off. And I know that not everybody thinks like me, which is great. That would be such a boring and rather crazy world if everyone did. So yeah, I would definitely say if this palette floats your boat, I think you would really be in for a big treat. Okay, I'm just going to clarify. I know this probably isn't necessary, but I am the captain of Team Miss Unnecessary. So the reason why this palette, the two reasons why it just doesn't really scream party to me is because I just feel like there's lots of similar shades. You've got lots of variations on peach, lots of variations on camel vagina, lots of variations on brown and tan. I just find like there's lots of the same shade, just slightly different. And actually on the eye, I don't think they look that hugely different. And also the second reason is that I just think that, you know, the palette is big. It's quite overwhelming. I couldn't really fit it in my bra, you know, in the morning when I'm taking it downstairs. It's too fucking big. Yeah, but I mean, the quality of this palette, I cannot knock. Anyway, I'm gonna go. Thank you so much for watching the video. Do you know what I've just thought I'm gonna do? I will do a giveaway giving away this palette because I hope you don't mind. Like, obviously I have used it, so it's got my Makeup Junkie little finger marks in there, but I mean, I don't think I'm gonna use this again, not saying the quality isn't great, but I just can't see me getting a lot of use out of it, and I would much rather pass it on to somebody that will love it and treasure it. So I'm going to pass this on. To enter the giveaway, if you just comment down below with your, oh gosh, this is always where I just never know. Just comment down below. Oh gosh, I am the worst giveaway doer ever. Comment down below and put giveaway in all caps, and then just put your favourite word. So giveaway in all caps, your favourite word, just whatever. It could be tickle, it could be pumpkin, it could be toe, banana, asparagus, just whatever you like. So anyway, good luck to everyone that enters. I'll give it like a couple of weeks and I'll just pick a winner and I'll just post the palette off. So that's how relaxed we're going to be about the giveaway. But anyway, guys, I'm going to shoot off. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you again to Little Elfos for sending me this beautiful palette, and I will see you in the next video.